Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable side hustles out there if you know what you're doing. Now with its popularity, that means there are a lot of fake gurus out there trying to sell you on courses on how to get rich quick and just flat out lying to you. So in today's video, I thought I'd show you an actual real life affiliate marketing business, how I would run an affiliate marketing business today. And I'm giving myself a time frame of 1 week to see if this business model has any potential. Now before we start this challenge, I want to be as transparent as possible with you. I currently am already running an affiliate marketing store. It generates a couple £100 a month, so it's fair to say that I already know what I'm doing. But for the sake of this challenge and this video, the money that I generate from my already established affiliate marketing store is not going to be counted towards the challenge. I want to give you guys a fair expectation of what you can expect if you was to start your own store like today. So if you do go ahead and enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe because I make videos like this all the time. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is what is affiliate marketing. I'm going to do a very quick summary of this right now because I'm assuming most of you already know what it is. Basically, affiliate marketing is when another company gives you their referral links for you to promote their products. Now, every time someone clicks your referral links and actually buys the product through the manufacturer's website, you will get like a 5, 10 or even 15% commission. So it sounds pretty easy. All you have to do is, place a few links around. But why isn't everyone that does this a millionaire? Well, that's because it's not just as simple as just placing a few links. But that's why I'm here today. I'm going to give you the motivation and the know-how to start your own affiliate business. Okay, so the first place that we need to start with this business is to find a product to sell. There's loads of different places you can go on the internet, but I've got two favorites that I'm going to recommend to you in this video. The first place is Clickbank. Now this is great for beginners. So the first thing you want to do when you're on Clickbank is go to the marketplace. And now when you're on the marketplace, you'll see that they've got this very nice designed little marketplace where you can go ahead and find your product. Now you can see stuff like top offers, new offers, health and fitness. Now there are plenty of different things that you can promote, which is great, and this is why I do recommend Clickbank if you're just starting out. What seems to work for a lot of people is health and fitness, and also the spiritual niche. Why can't I say that? Anyway, that niche does really well. So if you're interested in that or you think you can promote the product, definitely try because the conversion rates are really good. So the things that you need to look for when you're promoting a product is the gravity as well as the average conversion. So basically the gravity is how many people are actually selling this product. If it's got a high gravity, a lot of people are selling this product, which means it's more likely that you'll sell this product as well. And now the average conversion is how much money you'll make for someone converting, so buying the product off the person's website. Now you really can get lost on Clickbank. There are so many different things you can do and see, but really scour Clickbank and try and find a winning product. And in the winning product is probably one of the most important things you can do out of this whole journey, because if your product isn't a winning product, if people aren't going to convert when they click it, or if people are just not going to be interested, not going to make any money. Now an example of a good product that offers you loads of different media and stuff rather than the one that I've gone with is this one here. As you can see, they've literally got a whole Google Drive of just media and stuff that you can use to promote this product. Now this is good because different types of media will attract different types of audiences as well as convert differently, and you can test this out and see what works for you. Okay, right, after some deliberation on what kind of product that I'm wanting to pick, I'm kind of leaning towards this manifestation product. I like it because I'm already in the finance niche. I know a lot of stuff about finance. I actually know what type of audience would like this product. Also, there's a few key points when you're looking at any product that you'd probably look at. The gravity is 296, which is really high for a product like this. You can see the initial conversions are around $42 and you get a recurring bill. So if someone wants to keep on paying or something, that's around $14 every year. And now this is a very popular product at the minute. It's looking like it's ticking all the boxes for me. I'm wanting to see if we can promote this. On the actual website, you can see that they offer 100% money back guarantee, which is something that makes me confident about this product. It's actually a good product, because the last thing that you want to do is promote a bad product. Like, customers are just going to want refunds, which is going to impact your sales. And if you actually spent any money doing affiliate marketing, you can actually turn out to be at a loss. So finding a good product is really important. A lot of the products on Clickbank are digital products as well, which makes it easier for you. There's no waiting about for customers to receive products or anything like that. Okay, so now that we've found our product, we need to promote it. A few different ways you can do this. In fact, literally hundreds of different ways you could do this. You could run ads on Facebook or TikTok, pay for shout outs on Instagram pages, or you could actually grow your own following on a page and promote it for yourself for free. So the way I created my main affiliate marketing business, the one that brings me in hundreds of pounds every single month, is by growing my own personal brand on Instagram and then promoting my affiliate links organically to my followers. This is probably the most stable way of doing affiliate marketing, but it's less in your face, it's less salesy, and the people that are actually following you are already going to be interested in the products that you're selling for affiliate marketing, so your conversion rates are also going to be a lot higher than they would be if you're just promoting this to like random pages. However, you know, building a page doesn't happen overnight, and most of you won't have an Instagram page or anything like that. If you are looking for tips on how to grow your own page, or maybe you're interested in how I've grown an Instagram business of over 500,000 followers, there'll be a link down in the description to a video that explains all of that. Regardless, growing a page doesn't happen overnight, so a lot of you might have to either pay for ads or promote it through different ways. Now for this challenge, I'm going to promote this product in a few different ways to kind of give you an idea of what you can do. Okay, so the strategy that I'm going to take for this is I'm going to promote it on 5 different Instagram pages. 3 of the Instagram pages I already own, total up to like 300,000 followers, and then 2 of the Instagram pages I'm actually going to pay for shout outs, and they're going to be in the finance niche, so hopefully these followers will be more targeted. So the way you actually go about promoting is a lot of the product will actually give you some free promotion tools for you to use. I normally only promote products that give stuff like this. I think it's really hard to make your own material, but not only will most of the time you'll be making material for like digital products, which is hard to do anyway, but you know, that's extra time that you don't need. So it's really good when the business you're working with actually gives you the media to use. For this affiliate product that I'm promoting, they do offer some media. Now the media they're offering is pretty rubbish, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, like these graphics look bad. Now if I was, you know, probably taking this affiliate marketing more seriously, I might even design my own design. However, the gravity on this product is really high, so I'm just going to assume that these banners are working for this business, and we're going to take a risk. Hopefully this doesn't come back and bite me in the end of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post these medias on my Instagram accounts, as well as the 2 Instagram accounts that I'm going to pay for shout outs, as well as providing the affiliate link that they have given me. So hopefully people will click the link and actually buy. As affiliate marketers, all we really need to do is get them onto the actual affiliate page, and because we've chosen a good affiliate product, the website will already be good at converting them, so we don't have to do any of that hard work. Now you can also run ads for this if you wanted. You know, you could get some Facebook ads and some TikTok ads going. I'm not going to do that in this video. I don't actually like running ads. For me, I prefer going the social media way. I prefer promoting it through that. You know, I've seen people get really creative with this stuff. You know, you can go on Pinterest and start promoting the products on there. You know, there really are some creative ways to promote your products. But the way I'm doing it right now is like my bread and butter. This is what works for me really well. So I'm going to go ahead and promote these products on these different platforms. And then I'm going to check back in with you all in about 7 days. And hopefully we've turned a profit. Okay, so it's been 7 days since we last talked, since I last sat in front of this camera, and we've got some pretty interesting results. I don't want to waste your time, let's jump straight into this. As you can see, over the last week we've earned $135 for this product, which to be honest I didn't think was going to sell all that well. You know, the artwork was pretty bad, and you know, I thought the website definitely needed a bit of work. I'm kind of surprised by these results, but we did market it to the right sort of people. Now we had our highest earning day on Friday where we earned $51, and that is actually the day that I paid for the shout out on one of the pages. Now one of the pages actually let me down when I asked for a shout out. You know, they sold me a dream and told me they'd post it, and then they never posted it. So, and yeah, I didn't have enough time to find another one or have a backup plan. For this challenge, I've actually only bought 1 shout out on an Instagram page, as well as shouting it out on my other 3 pages. So the shout out cost me around $40. If we take away $135 away from 40, that'll leave us with $95. So we've earned around about $100 from a week's challenge. For a week of affiliate marketing, of not actually putting in that much effort, you know, you can't go wrong with this. However, what you've got to remember is that I also promoted this on 3 of my other Instagram pages that have over like 300,000 followers. Yeah, $100 in a week for like posting a couple of story posts sounds great, but you know, I'm not gonna lie to you and say that you could do this like next week if you've got no followers on Instagram or anything. I've got no followers on TikTok, because if you actually want to be making a profit and not be paying people for shout outs, you've got to grow your own pages. So yeah, affiliate marketing is definitely not dead. You know, you should definitely go out here and try this business model. I 100% recommend this to anyone that wants to do it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you found it insightful, definitely be sure to leave a like on it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.